Do you know circumscribed quadrilateral? What is the meaning of circumscribed quadrilateral? See, just I am drawing circumscribed quadrilateral. Observe here. It is a circle. If any quadrilateral, see, this is a inscribed circle. All sides of the quadrilateral touches the circle at only one point. That quadrilateral is a circumscribed quadrilateral. Circumscribed means outside. Inscribed means inside. It is the inscribed circle. This is the circumscribed quadrilateral. So your quadrilateral name is ABCD. It is a circumscribed quadrilateral. In a circumscribed quadrilateral, sum of the opposite sides are equal. BC plus AD. Definitely sum of the opposite sides are equal. Most important result this is. Okay, try to prove it. When you observe the problem, immediately what are the known points you must remind it. With the help of that, easily we can solve it. Okay. What are the points you observed when you observe the circumscribed quadrilateral? These are the point of contacts. That point of contacts didn't give any name, no? So you name it P, Q, R, S. That are the point of contacts. Now you have to prove it opposite sides are equal. When you are observing this problem, here A is an exterior point or not? A is the exterior point of a circle and AP is the length of the tangent and AS also length of the tangent. So length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. You have known excellent property, that is, tell me. Your values are AP is equal to AS. AP is equal to AS. And again, here you observe again. AP is equal to AS you got. No, here you observe. PB is equal to PQ. Same property. The lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. Length of the tangent is nothing but from exterior point to point of contact. So that's why PB is equal to what do you get? BQ. Okay. Now observe here AP plus PB. AP plus PB will get AB only, no? So AB is over. Your concentration must on CD. So this is the CD, no? It is the CD. Now observe here from D you have one tangent, length of the tangent. What is the length of the tangent? DR. Length of the tangent DR is equal to, what do you get? DS. DR is equal to DS. And again RC is equal to CQ because C is an external point, no? So RC is equal to CQ. These all results based on single concept only. What is it? That concept is a tangent drawn from an external points are equal. Now add these four. AP plus PB plus DR plus RC is equal to AS plus BQ plus DS plus CQ. Observe here, Nana. AP by PB value how much? AB plus DR plus RC value. DR plus RC. Length DR plus length DR. Length DR plus length DR is getting length is DC. So AB plus DC is equal to, observe here, this is AS and this is DS. AS plus DS is equal to AD plus BQ. Now observe here, BQ plus QC. BQ plus QC is equal to BC. So this is your final result. That is your final result. So AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. I am giving you problem now. Take a problem. See, same problem. If it is quadrilateral I have taken. Here given is ABCD is a quadrilateral. Which kind of quadrilateral? Circumscribed quadrilateral. Now if it is parallelogram, if now it is a parallelogram, if ABCD is a parallelogram, circumscribed parallelogram. If it is a circumscribed parallelogram, then prove that ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Can you prove? Is that proof easy? Dead easy this proof. Because here, what is meant by rhombus? In a quadrilateral, all sides are equal. That is called rhombus. ABCD is parallelogram. It is given. What is meant by parallelogram? In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. That is the property in parallelogram. And it is a circumscribed quadrilateral. So it is circumscribed only. If it is circumscribed, immediately this result definitely satisfies. Sum of the opposite sides are equal. You have no here. Here opposite sides equal. No? So that's why CD is equal to AB. So AB plus AB. Because in a parallelogram, CD equal to AB. You substitute CD value AB. AB plus AB 2AB. I'm telling you proof of this. And again, opposite sides equal. AD is equal to BC. Okay. AD plus BC value also AD only. So here 2 times of AD you take it. 2 get cancelled. AB is equal to AD, you got it. AB value let it be X. Then AD value also X. It is a parallelogram, no? Opposite sides equal, no? So AD is equal to BC. AB is equal to CD, no? So what did you get? All sides are equal. If all sides are equal, then definitely that is a rhombus. Okay. See, one problem I am giving you. In many more competitive exam problem is given. One problem I will give you. In a circumscribed quadrilateral, AB is equal to 8 centimeters, BC is equal to 15 centimeters, CD is equal to 17 centimeters, then find AD. In a circumscribed quadrilateral ABCD, these dimensions as given, 3 sides are given, then find the 4th side. Tell me your answer. It is a circumscribed quadrilateral, we said, no? So that's why what is your result? AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. What is your AB value? AB is 8. So this is the formula. AB is 8. 8 plus CD is 17 is equal to your BC is 15. You have to find out AD. Tell me 17 plus 8, 25. Plus 15 transpose this side, minus 15 is equal to AD. So your AD value is 10 centimeters.